So, welcome back viewers. Last you seen me, we was cutting the gasket for the manifold here. Since then it's just held on with one nut, just to hold it in place. So I'm going to start putting the carburetor back onto the car. I'm going to start by getting these other nuts on first. They're very tricky to do. Especially with cold fingers. Not in it for long, so I didn't want to put the, well, I hope I'm not in it for long. On the other side, under there. This is the main four that hold the carburetor on. Right, that's those four on. I was going to give the bottom two a little bit of a tighten and just make sure they're going up where they should. Which they look as if they are. Start giving these a bit of a tighten up. Last one, I'd just like to say a special hi to all of our American viewers that have given us a few comments and likes and getting good feedback. It's nice to see an audience for Rolls Royces. It's nice and strong in America. I've been also looking at some of the differences in the Springfields as to ones that were over here. They actually transferred the gear change and the handbrake to centre of car rather than on the side, and they run a 3-speed box in them rather than the 4-speed that's in here. There's variations on them, but still a fantastic car. On that for now. Trying to get everything in place and then final tighten. So the next one I need to look at is the piece that goes, which is, this is on the fuel supply. So I need a washer on there. Probably going to be a bit stubborn. Come back to that. Right, I'll get a piece of pipe in the side next. Just let that attach. Return this. Nice. everything up really tight for a minute. Just carve up a little bit towards it. Oh, that's actually going up now. Hoping these modifications and bits that are being done are going to improve the car. It was running of salts. I'm hoping this is going to smooth things out a lot. There was some breakages in there that young Tom made new bolts for and do everything for once over. It definitely seems to be a fuel problem. If that's in position now, and we have a linkage that goes to here. Somewhere. Right, and the throttle linkage on. Move that spring out of the way for now. Linkage on. on. This goes on. Tiny little pin here. With this little bit. It's lucky we've got our glasses, isn't it? I'm presuming it goes on that right. I'll have to get a better pin for that at some point. Just a minute. Oh, so that one seems to be working. So our next linkage, which is this one here, which goes under there, comes up. That back to its weakest setting. Pin. Set on there. We're definitely progressing. And I think if I can get this fuel line dropped on next. So I think that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. If you can subscribe, that would be fantastic. Next time I should have the fuel line on and hopefully we'll be going for a start-up. Thanks very much for watching.